Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. Today I'm gonna do another unboxing of a hard to get item from Louis Vuitton website, which I ordered from last week and it shipped to me quickly within 2 days. I'm gonna unbox, show you how it looks, how it can be used, and also how I got it from Louis Vuitton website. I'm very excited, so let's jump into it. So this is the real unboxing. Okay, so this is how it shipped to me with this box right here, Louis Vuitton here, and the receipt is right here. It's gigantic for the piece that I ordered. Let's see how it is. Okay, so this is how it is inside. This is the dust bag from Louis Vuitton. Let's open and take a look inside. Oh goodness. It's gorgeous. It's simple but very classy. Let's take a look inside. The zipper, very smooth. It comes with the gold hardware, with the vachetta piece right here. It's Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. So this zipper is longer for easier access. This toiletry pouch is size 26 and is made with the one sheet of monogram canvas. So you can see the LV here, but from the back here, you can see the upside down LV. So very slim, but it's very tall. I'm gonna use this as a toiletry pouch, just like its name. It's gonna be very nice for traveling or for work purposes. You can place this on top of the vanity, just like a decoration. It's gonna look cute too. I already ordered the felt insert, which I gonna store in here. Won't get dirty too easily, although it has wipeable interior in here for easier cleaning. Also, the felt insert I ordered, which is coming, has a hook on the side here. I may be able to attach the strap or string for using it as a shoulder bag or crossbody bag. We can use this as a clutch for a date night. For now, I'm gonna use it as a catch-all for work or when I travel especially. So let me show you how it's gonna look in my Neverfull. This is what I have in my Neverfull right now. I left a perfect space for it. Look at this. It fits perfect in my Neverfull MM. Let me also show you a few of the items that I could get in the past few weeks on Louis Vuitton website. I already ordered the organizer for this one. I may be able to use this as a crossbody bag if I want to when I travel. I use this to hold my passport. I use this as a business card holder. My mini pouch for mini essentials like Band-Aid or gum or floss. Some medicine. And my 6 key holder. So I have my key pouch for my driver license or credit card. And I may use this for receipt. This toiletry pouch size 26 is perfect in here. It fits perfectly in this Neverfull mm. It's nice. When I travel, if I need to use this as a clutch, I can. So for people that want to use this as a crossbody bag or shoulder bag, just be mindful because the strap may damage this area. And if you take it back to Louis Vuitton, they may deny your request. They may inspect the pouch and know that you don't use this for its purpose as a toiletry pouch. Now let me show you how I would fit things in here and use this as a clutch. Okay, I'm gonna have my mini pochette in here, my key pouch, my 6 key holder, my hand sanitizer, and I still have plenty of room. So I will be able to have my iPhone 11 Pro Max in here. And if I want to have my sunglasses in here, it would fit too. Yeah. Now let me tell you how I got this toiletry pouch from Louis Vuitton website. In the past few weeks, I could order a few of the hot items from Louis Vuitton website, but didn't even think about this pouch. So just last week, I thought about this set and went on to the website to check. Then the price increased. It increased from $445 to $520 for this toiletry pouch size 26. However, I decided to place it in my cart since it's not available all the time. I was so glad that I could purchase it because I planned to order the whole set. Since it was so hard to get, whatever size comes first, I try to get it first. So this became available first. And I think it's perfect for me for traveling. So I highly recommend it. Even if you want to use this as a clutch or crossbody bag, it is gonna be very practical, very versatile. It's a timeless piece. Even if you don't use it, you can place it on top of the vanity. It's gonna look gorgeous on the vanity. This Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch comes in 3 sizes, 26, 19, and 15. However, I could only get size 26 so far. I can't wait to get size 19 and 15 to complete the set. I'm very happy with this purchase and highly recommend it. Louis Vuitton just increased their prices last week. Although Louis Vuitton restocked their website more often, most of the items still not available. You have to be patient. You may have to stock their website few times a day. Sooner or later, you may get the item you really want. Or you can go to pre-loved market if you want that item right away. That is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. Have a fabulous day and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. Bye now.